Hey, what say, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here coming to you from What Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in with me. Hope you're having a great Sunday, July 6th. What you say? And a great 4th of July weekend. It's the last day of the weekend. Hope y'all got y'all fireworks out you. Hope you've been doing them safe, man. I don't know if y'all heard, but one of the YouTubers from No Jumper, he blew off his hand popping those fireworks. So you got to be careful, y'all. Got to be careful, man. I'm praying for that brother as again he man blew part of his hand off. I don't know how bad it is, but it sounds really bad. And so keep that brother lifted up in prayer. And again, y'all be safe with fireworks this weekend as we close out the 4th of July weekend. And as always, please like, subscribe, share the page, share the channel with somebody. Let them know that, hey, What You Say Radio, DJ Modi is on here, giving you information, the best in news, crypto, stock market, politics, current events, entertainment news, just a little bit of everything, a variety of topics that we discuss here. And so glad to have you. And in this video, we're going to do a little crypto market update. And with that being said, I'm going to jump into, you know what it is. You already know what it is. It's coinmarketcap.com. That's where we get my latest and greatest information and data on the crypto market. And as you can see, that the market cap overall for crypto is at $3.36 trillion. Has not changed much since our update the day before last. The fear and greed index, however, has come down to 50 as we were at 55, around 55 2 days ago. We've come down to 50. Altcoin season is at 27 out of 100. So Bitcoin dominance is still in effect. And that means, yeah, altcoin season has not started yet. We're still waiting for that altcoin season to kick off. Some of the trending coins, XRP. XRP is a hot one. Bonk, of course, is a hot meme one for this cycle. You got the Ton coin, you got BMT. Don't know, but I haven't seen BMT. And then you got Flowkey. Flowkey, those are the trending coins as of right now. And let's go into our favorite coins down here. Bitcoin is at 108,000 right now, and it owns 2.1 trillion of that 3.36 trillion market cap overall for crypto. And that is why Bitcoin is dominating the market. Coming in second is Ethereum, ETH with at $2,547 a coin, currently taking up a $307 billion market cap, making it the second largest crypto. There has been lots of good news with about Ethereum. Tom Lee, who's an investor, gave big props to Ethereum last week, and basically said he's buying a lot of ETH. So keep an eye on Ethereum because when it starts to take off, man, it could fly. And so Ethereum, the number two altcoin, well, number one altcoin, let's say that because Bitcoin is an altcoin. Bitcoin is the big dog, and Ethereum is the daddy of all altcoins. All right. And so we got XRP, the XRP army. XRP's come up a little bit over the last couple of days. It's currently at $2.27, sitting at number four. So Solana comes in at number six. We're at $152.56 at 81 billion dollar market cap. Then we go down to Cardano 88 ADA, and it's currently $58, 58 cents, not $58, has 58 cents a coin at the number 10 slot. And again, we're just looking at our favorites. That's pretty much all I cover is some of the favorites here of the channel. And Sui comes in at number 12 at $2.91. A couple of days ago, we were up over just a little bit over $3, got up to 312, and then it came back down to the 290 range, and that's where we've been kind of in that 290, 295 range over the last 24, 48 hours. Chainlink. Chainlink is at $13.47. And it is the number 14 coin. Moving on to AVAX, Avalanche is at $18.25 with a $7 billion market cap. And then we go down to see where BitTensor, remember Tau, T-A-O, BitTensor, that is our AI play for this here cycle in crypto. All right. AI, artificial intelligence, as I've said before, is the big narrative, the big story in 2025, 2026. If you were in 2024 in stocks, you know Nvidia was the big AI play for the stock market. And so with the crypto market, Tau, TAO, my expectation is this is going to be a big AI play in the crypto market, and that is why I have it on my favorite watch list. And it's currently the 32 crypto on the market at 327 per coin with a $2.9 billion market cap. And our final one is Ondo, which is what we're going to take a slight dive into. Ondo, it's the number 38 coin, and it's currently at 79 cents. Great buy, people. Let me say that again. Ondo at 79 cents. Great buy. It is at a $2.5 billion market cap. So there's room for much growth for Ondo during this bull run. And as it hit highs, man, I think, matter of fact, I won't even guess. We're gonna go into the Ondo chart, take a look take a look at Ondo here. Again, it has a $2.5 billion market cap. Currently, there are 3.86 unlocked in the market cap for Ondo. There is 10 billion Ondo that will only ever be made in supply, and we'll talk about that a little bit later because that's real important. But as of right now, again, there's 3.86 in circulation, $2.5 billion market cap with only 10 billion of Ondo that will ever be created in the supply as of right now. All right, and as you can see here, I want to take a look. I want y'all to show you it's 79 cents right now, and the market high was $2.03 back in December. In December, y'all. And so as you can see, this this coin is backed. It's backed by some of the top institutions such as BlackRock. Let me knock on wood. BlackRock. Anytime you hear BlackRock and BlackRock is involved with a project, your ears should perk up. If they're involved with a crypto project, if they're involved with a stock or anything, BlackRock, you hear BlackRock, you hear Larry Fink, you better pay attention. Your ears need to perk up and you need to do some research into whatever they're investing in. Because remember, you don't want to invest in what everybody else is investing in just because they say it's popular. You don't want to invest in something because I say it's popular or it's my favorite or it's on my watch list. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I This is for entertainment purposes and information purposes only. Consult with your finance advisor for that. And so, again, don't take anybody's word. Do your own research. Do your own investigation into things that you hear are good or that you like. Take a deep dive in it. All right. So Ondo Finance, just a little bit about it. It's Here we go. It's a finance token. And so what is Ondo? It stands as a beacon in the realm of decentralized finance. It's aiming to democratize access to institutional grade financial services. It was founded in 2022. So this coin has only been around. Let me say that again. It's only been around for 3 years, 2022, and it's based in the Cayman Islands. Ondo operates through a unique ecosystem that bridges traditional finances with blockchain technology. So, traditional finances, and that's real world stuff, bringing it into blockchain technology. The Ondo Foundation collaborates closely with Ondo Finance, its commercial partner, to support decentralized products and tokenization of real world assets. That is another key player in this here crypto bull cycle. Real world is assets. Knocking on wood, if you hear real world assets, your ears should perk up and you should pay attention and want to get involved or get to know and research things that are real world assets that they're trying to bring when it comes to the blockchain technology. All right, and so that's a little bit about Ondo, and we're gonna go into some other news. As you can see right here, Kyron from No BS Crypto. He is a crypto YouTube influencer. I encourage if you get a chance to go check his page out. He gives a lot of good information. Again, he's called No BS Crypto, and you can check him out on YouTube. Again, he gives a lot of great advice. As a matter of fact, he just did a nice little grade on a lot of YouTube influencers that are in the crypto market along with him. And he kind of gave them a grading scale and recommendation as far as, if you as a listener should go and listen to these guys, if they're giving out good sound information. I encourage you to go check that video out. All right. And so here he wrote, we've seen some huge innovative partnerships towards in the U.S. future of RWA's real world assets lately. And he's specifically talking about Ondo, acquired SEC registered broker A Oasis Pro. This is what Ondo's done. They partnered with JP Morgan. Y'all know y'all have heard of JP Morgan for payments. They've integrated OUSG with Ripple's XRP ledger. So they're combining, they're working with XRP, one of the hot coins, the hot topics of this crypto cycle. Ondo Catalyst with Pantera Capital, support for PayPal, USD, and OUSG conversions, and partner with Link in JP Morgan collaboration. Chainlink, Ondo, XRP, JP Morgan, SEC regulation. I like all the sounds of that, man. What do these all share in common? They're all US based industry leaders in their own verticals of finance, whether it's banking, financial services, markets, Web3, venture capital, and more. The big players are all flocking to get into the Ondo ecosystem. Ondo, y'all. Ondo Finance. Pay attention, pay attention. So here it is, a little chart with Ondo in the middle. They got Chainlink, PayPal, Oasis Pro, JP Morgan, Ripple, Pantera. These are some of the people that they are collaborating with. This is great news for Ondo and Ondo holders and potential Ondo investors. So, again, take a look at it. Just to reiterate, the maximum supply of Ondo crypto that will ever be created is 10 billion tokens, and there are currently no plans for inflation of this total supply. So they don't plan to make, as of right now, make any more. All right, so as of July 5th, 2025, yesterday, approximately 3.16 billion Ondo are in circulation, which is what we talked about earlier, which represents about 32% of the total supply. The tokens are being gradually released over a 5-year schedule set to end in 2029. So let's think about it. If they have all 10 billion out in supply, in the circulating supply by 2029, guess what's going to happen to Ondo as we look towards the future? It's only going to rise, y'all. The price is only going to rise. And I know we didn't mention it in there, but I mentioned it earlier that this is one of BlackRock's favorite coins in the crypto market. Now, a lot of things with BlackRock, they're not going to mention it, and I think that's by design right now. I think they're trying to keep as much as possible. And this is just my opinion. This is my opinion only. A lot of things that BlackRock is getting involved, you got to kind of do a little a deeper dive to find out if BlackRock is affiliated with the project or not. And so I noticed that on some of the things that come out popular, like on X and things like that, they don't mention BlackRock's name and everything. And so you got to dig underneath the rocks to find out, no pun intended, if BlackRock is involved. All right. And so again, that is what I want to talk to you a little bit about. I want to do a little deep dive on Ondo, kind of put that on your radar, put that on your favorite, your watch list, because I think it's going to do big things. Right now, it's at 79.80 cents, which in my opinion is a steal. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to encourage you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto for that matter, but I just want to get you informed, and it's for entertainment purposes only. And so that's my market update for today, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in, locking it in. Please share this video with a family member, a friend, and if you please smash that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so that you can stay updated with me, DJ Mo D, right here on What You Say Radio. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace. I'm out. And what you say?